some breaking news coming in from the poll-bound state of Tamil Nadu, where DMK CPIM seat sharing talks remain inconclusive. The CPIM State Secretary K. Balakrishnan says that he will discuss the DMK's offer with the party's working committee. Let's take a look at what he had to say first.
Our CPM delegation and the DMK delegation are negotiation. We discuss about the seat sharing. They have told a number and we have told a number. They have told, on behalf of DMK, they are told that after consulting with their leader, they will respond to us. Also, we have said that we will consult our secretariat and inform our stand to them. The number they have told is not sufficient for us. That we have communicated to them.
My colleague Apurva is getting us the latest developments that we are tracking. Apurva, on one side, the DMK CPIM seat sharing talks have remained to be inconclusive, and on the other side, Opanir Selvam, the Deputy Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, has clearly stated that 20 seats will be given to the NDA ally BJP for the upcoming polls. What are you picking up?
Well, we have just seen that the senior CPM leader, Balakrishna, has also already spoken. Remember, the DMK and the CPIM talks had been ongoing for quite a few days. And today they had gone in, sources in the CPIM state that they are looking for a double-digit number, that they are talking regarding the seat sharing talks. Remember, the last two elections as well, CPIM had got 12 to 13 seats in the DMK-CPIM alliance. The CPI yesterday had got 6 seats and the DMK is willing to give them close to 9 seats is what we are hearing, but the CPIM is looking still ongoing for rooting for the 12 to 13 seats, that is the seats in double digits is what we are hearing. It will be interesting to see that the ongoing talks are still going on. We have seen that the DMK has not yet finalized the seat sharing talks between the CPIM as well as with the Congress as well. Only these two major parties are still yet to be concluding their seat sharing talks with the DMK. It will be interesting to see how the ongoing talks will go on. Will they sign the seat sharing?
Right, of course. Many thanks, Apurva, for tracking all those